This quick video is about how to search for your friends on BeReal app using iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open your BeReal app. Then click this contacts like icon. Yeah, on the top you can see this search tab. Here you can search for your friends, or you can also find the discovery tab profiles. You can make new friends. And here you can search by two ways. Either search by their names or BeReal username, like this. And if you want to know more useful tips and tricks about BeReal app, just watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.